Ho, ho, ho!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. Well, what I have for you today is a Dollar Tree haul. It's my first Dollar Tree haul since they have raised their prices to $1.25. So I still found some new Christmas items and then some really cute stocking stuffers. So let's jump right into this Dollar Tree haul for Christmas 2021. Okay, the first thing I found, and like I said, I'm still finding new things. Look at this. It's the most wonderful time of the year. This is raised and it doesn't have any glitter. It just looks very vintage. I love the holly up here and the different fonts. I think it's so pretty and it's rather large. So found that, and you can hang it like this. Like I said though, everything now is $1.25. Okay, then look at this. They're so cute. Holly and jolly. Look at that. And that wood just looks aged. And then it has that buffalo check. That is such a cute little find. You could make this very easy if you couldn't find them. But look how beautiful that is. And this does have glitter on it. And I think it is perfect, okay? And then I found it. Now this one needs to be re-glued because it's falling. But look, this one stays perfectly. Merry Christmas. And it's the red and it has the glitter, buffalo check, that pine. And it feels like real pine. It doesn't feel like real cheap pine, you know? And a berry, and there's that. So here's your two options. And I'm gonna have to glue this one. Can't beat it. Okay. Then I thought these little gift boxes were adorable to put gifts in, or even if you wanted to just set it around. This says wishing you a Merry Christmas, and it has like these little flakes down in there of like, they're not really glitter, they're kind of like a metallic flake. And then the side has the snowflakes, and that has beautiful plaid. And then this, you know, you can see through it and you open it up, and that's how that is. The top looks a little raised. I just think this would make a very cute presentation for a Christmas gift. Then look at these book boxes. Now this is the only one like this, and I was sorry to see that the, you know, the little side is ripped, but look at this. Special delivery from the North Pole Express. Look at that. Is that not everything? I love it. But right here, it has a tiny rip. I think I can fix it. And then you open it up. You could put a gift in it. You could just use it for decor in your home. But it's the only one that my Dollar Tree had left. But I love that train. Look at that. That looks very high end. And these little parts of the train right here, they're embossed. They stick up a little bit. Okay. Then I found this one. I may have seen this one before. I'm not sure. It just says special delivery North Pole. Do not open before December 25th. I think that's so cute. No glitter. Just that pretty look. Candy cane look. You open it up, that's what that looks like. And then the back is like this. Once again, you could put a gift in it, or it would be great for decor. Now, I believe I've seen this box before. Santa, naughty or nice list. Is that not cute? And then on the spine here, it says the same thing. There's the back. So adorable. No glitter on this. So cute. But I mean, if you wanted, you could set these up together. I think I would put something, if you wanted to set them this way, I would put something on these two. But you could just stack these boxes, you know, differently. It would be so cute, all right? Then I found this gift box. It's so cute. Warm wishes. And then it says Christmas cheer, and look at Santa. Now this has glitter everywhere you see white. That's the only thing that's glittered, and his little bag is full of goodies. Then you pop this open and you could put something down in there, and right here is a to or a from. It would be great for like a gift card or something like that, but you could also put smaller things in there. Love that. Okay, then this one, merriest season, the merriest season. Look at this take on gingerbread. I love it, and this is glittered, as you can see. Look how fun those stripes are around through there. Love it. And you open it up, same principle. But I think this would be a gorgeous little gift box, or, you know, you could set it around for decor, whatever. Okay, then look what I found. This is new. I have never seen this in my Dollar Tree, okay? And I got all three that they had. These are little skis, and this says ski lift. Look at your poles. This white is glitter. Look at that wreath. Is that not gorgeous? A little bow. So they had it in the red. Then they had it in the gray. This would be perfect. Would have been perfect for my bedroom, my cabin theme. Look how delightful that is. And even the tips of the skis are turned up. Okay, and then they had it in red and white like this, with the little ski lift sign pointing. Is that not as cute as it can be? So cute. Okay, then I found this mug, and I thought that was just adorable. Let me take it out of the box. I loved those candy canes when I saw them. You could put candy in this and maybe stick a couple candy canes sticking out. What a beautiful little presentation that would be. Or put some hot cocoa, or some tea, or a little bit of coffee in here, like those pods. Or you could go ahead and give them this, put some sweets in it, and a little bit of things so they can have their own hot cocoa station or charcuterie board. How adorable. Okay. I started to say for $1, but it's not $1.25 now. Oh well. Okay. Then I found this garland. They had it in this red. That would be pretty to string. Whew, that would be pretty to string on a tree or in a wreath. I can't talk today. And then they had it in this silver. And then they had it in a gold. I probably should have picked up the gold. And you get 6 little Christmas ornaments in there. So I thought that was really cute. Then look at these gift tags. Oh my gosh, peace, joy, and presents. And then this one. Is that not adorable? And you get 16. And then here's where you can write the to and from is on the back. I really do love these. These are really cute, okay? And then look at these. These are more of a kind of like a farmhouse vibe, I think. Season's greetings, and then look at those balls. And this has glitter on them. Love them. And then back here, so festive, the to and the from. Yeah, I just really am loving this, okay? I mean, if you're at the last minute, which is where we are almost now, these would be great ideas. And then they had this 52-piece self-adhesive gift tags. They had several, but I like these the best. Let me just show you what they look like. I thought these were really cute. Look at all that. Oh, he's really cute. And they have glitter on them. And then this is kind of like a red and black theme. Okay. And then look at this green. Green is all the rage. Look at that. So cold and beautiful. And then it goes to the blue, and the green, and the white. I just think this is adorable. And that's all you get there. Okay, so like I said, you get 52. All right, then I found these would be great stocking stuffers. I was in the checkout lane, and that's where I found these. And it has a crossword book like this, so cute. Then we have word search, and I'll open them up and show them in a minute. And then I never can say this, so there you go. But here is the crossword book. You can see you could give that to them. They could put it in their purse, beside their bed, just anything. If they travel, they could take that with them. And I like it because it has this on it, and it's pretty to look at too. And then this one right here, here's the back of this one. I just thought it was really cute. There that is. And they're not really small print. And then the word search. They're very vibrant and happy looking. I think it might, well, I was gonna say it might have been nice to have a Christmas element on the outside, but then, you know, once Christmas was gone, you really would, I don't know, I guess you could still use them, but these are cute. I really do like them like that. So great stocking stuffers. Then I found this, look at this bag. Christmas Tree Farm. Look at that. Merry Christmas. Look at that. And I love how that looks like it's either the moon or the sun. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm going to say it's the sun setting, okay? But look at that. Glitter. And then the back side does not have glitter. And then right here, they just stayed with their traditional wood look. But I love this. What a cute bag this would make. Love it, okay? Then, look at this one. Oh my gosh, I about died. Lazy Creek Country Store. I would love to be at this place right now. Look at that truck, snowman, all that delicious glitter, the Christmas lights on that little store, the wreaths hanging down. There's Frosty. I love that old truck with the Christmas tree in it. Look at the deliciousness of that bag, okay? Well, very cold and wonderful looking. Back does not have glitter. And then what's on the inside here? They just kept it really kind of like that blue plaid. Love this, okay? And then one more bag. Oh, such beautiful bags Dollar Tree has. Look at this house with the lights and the old pickup with the tree in it once again with the wreath. And that house with those beautiful lights, the snowman. And then look right here at all this deliciousness. I mean, who would not want to give this for a present? Or you could make decor next year out of it. And the back doesn't have glitter. And then the inside of this one has a really pretty red plaid. Love that. Okay, 3 more things and we're finished. If you know somebody that's into pins, these would be cute stocking stuffers. It says 2 colors in one, 3D effect, perfect for doodling. And this is this one right here. How cute. And you get 2 pins. Then these are just highlighters, but I thought they were, it says quick drying, bright fluorescent ink, and they have a chisel tip. And look how cute those are. If you know somebody's in school or just likes to highlight different things in recipes or whatever, that would be good. And then I got this for myself, but they would make good stocking stuffers too. If someone's in college or something like this. Now, I don't know how well they write, but these are Super Glide Fashion Ultra Smooth Writing. And you get 3 ink colors. They're the color of the cap. that fuchsia, a purple, and a blue. So that is everything that I found this week at the Dollar Tree. I was so surprised to find out they are still putting out new items. I don't know. But so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday for a bake with us. We are so excited. We're going to be baking some really tasty little desserts. Like I need them, but it's that time of year, okay? So let me get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. And were you taking a good sleep? Were you sleeping really good and Mama woke you up? Say, I grumbled at Mama. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Oh, I love her. Say, okay, say, until next time. Bye, guys.